Hey friends, you're watching BrainStormAcres. I'm Henry. Well, a friend of mine came over with his service truck. He works on big trucks on the highway and helped me get a new water pump into the truck. The old one was a real pain in the neck to get out, but it's out. And I have all three pieces that need to go together to put this pump back into the truck. Of course, the weather was windy, overcast, chilly, and just plain nasty. That's not a hose that you want to have to replace.
Well, yeah, I'm going to take the back half off, but I think it's on. Alright, so that was the bottom hose. This was his, so we went from here to your EGR. You got hose clamps for that? Ooh. Stay there, alternator. Okay, what do we got here? First of all,
Double check to make sure it's the right bolt.
yeah, I was wiggling, but it wasn't moving. You know, nothing like putting a hose right in the way where you got to shove the bolt.
And all of a sudden it worked.
So that's got the threads in it. This has to have a bolt in it. All right. part. It's a little long, but hey, look at that. It's functioning like I think it's supposed to. This springs which way? Obviously down. Half-inch drive. Make these so much fun to do. Alright, there's one on. About there. X size up. X size up. Old number 7 there. All the tools are at handies.
You just need longer arms.